All right, so the level twos are a little bit longer, but half of them are a review of what we did last week. So if you were good from last week, then really the first half of the level two notes are review. So just a reminder, you've got sine, cosine, and tangent. You abbreviated SIN, COS, and TAN. And to find it, you use opposite over hypotenuse, then adjacent over hypotenuse, and then opposite over adjacent. And our magic word for this, to help us remember, is SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. All right. So in level twos, we're finding missing parts of the triangle using trig. This part is the review. So given ABC, find the following information. First, we want to locate the hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse is always the one that's across from the right angle, so this is going to be 5. Then the measure opposite angle A, and then the measure adjacent to angle A. So we're working with these two right here. So again, what I like to do is put my pencil on A and draw a line to the right angle. That side that I just highlighted is the adjacent side to angle A. So that's going to be 3. And then the last side is going to be the opposite to angle A. Okay, since it's not labeled, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find that. I'm pretty confident we can do that, and that last side is going to be 4. Now if we switch angles here, that makes a big difference. Okay, if we switch angles, we're coming from angle B now. Okay, put your pencil on B, draw a line to angle C. Now that side is going to be the adjacent side. Okay, it's still going to be 4, but that's the adjacent side, and then the opposite side is going to be 3. So remember, your opposite and your adjacent sides switch. All right, and now we're going to find the trig ratio for each triangle. Simplify all ratios. You always want to simplify. So in A, it says find the sine of angle A. So pencil on A, draw us to the right angle. That's your adjacent side, your hypotenuse, and your opposite. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite side is 55, and your hypotenuse is 73. And I don't think that can be simplified. Okay, in B, it says cosine angle B. So pencil on B, line to the right angle. That's my A side, H and O. To find cosine, that's adjacent over hypotenuse. In this, we have the adjacent side, but we don't have the opposite or the hypotenuse. But since I have 2 side lengths, I can find the third. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Okay, if I add 14 squared plus 48 squared, and then I square root that answer, I'm going to get 50. So that's 50 there. So then your answer here, 48 over 50, and that's going to reduce down to, you can do 48 divided by 50 in your calculator, and then hit math, enter, enter, and 24 over 25. All right, last one from our review, tangent of angle B. Okay, pencil on B, line to the right angle, that's A, H, O. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, and I don't know the opposite, but I know 2 sides. So I'm going to go ahead and find that third side. So again, I'll do this real quick. 30 squared minus 18 squared. Missing side is 24. So tangent is 24 over 18, and that's going to reduce down to 4/3. All right, last part of review. You guys are pretty good at this. It says determine the trig ratio that makes the equation true. Write sine, cosine, or tangent in the blanks. So from angle L, the first one is talking about angle L. Pencil on L, line to the right angle. What side is that? That's your A side, H, O. Okay, so 24 is the A, 25 was the H. Which one in SOHCAHTOA gives us A over H? And that's going to be cosine the C. So you write cosine. Okay, now the next two deal with angle M. So that means I got to switch my A and my O. So 24 was the O, 7 was the A. What deals with O over A? That's tangent, so you're going to write TAN. And then the last one, 7 is A, 25 is H. What has A over H? That's your cosine again.